It's a lot.
Oh!
Yes. Yeah. Call me, you can call me a cabron, whatever you want. Get it out.